Say bye-bye.
Say
Say bye-bye. Look at her hand. Yay! Bye-bye. 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 You guys getting this moment for the first time. Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night, you guys. I have been up from 5 a.m. this morning and has been on a roll because that's what we do. When you can't sleep, you get up and you cook, honey child. So I've been up from 5 a.m. this morning and I couldn't go back to sleep, and I said, you know what, instead of just laying here and scrolling social media, why not just get up and be productive, since I have so much things on my agenda to do for today. So I got up and I cooked while the entire family is sleeping. Yes, I did that. I cooked for the entire day. So you guys will see all the things that I made for today, and then we'll jump into the rest of the vlog for today. So have a good day. If it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe, catch me and keep up with the fam bam, hit the notification bell, hit the thumbs up button, watch them ads because that's how you support the fam bam extra. Love you guys. Catch me and keep up, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Getting a little after dark cooking session with moi. So you guys, I couldn't sleep, so I just decided to wake up and cook. Everybody else is sleeping, babe sleeping, Tyler sleeping, Sarah sleeping, so it's just me and you. I have cornmeal porridge on, I have quinoa on, I have steamed vegetables going. Why my finger? I have steamed vegetables going, broccoli and carrot. I'm going to make curry chicken, and I'm going to make some pea stew. So the kitchen is lit at 6 o'clock in the morning. This one, I have some red peas that I had in the freezer from last week that I'm going to use to make some stew. So all that I have in here is red peas, coconut milk, yeah, that's it. And I'm gonna drop some spinach in there and some seasoning and let it boil and become thick. Then in here I have assorted sweet peppers, onions and garlic, and I'm gonna throw that in there, and then I'm gonna pop some thyme in there, and that is gonna boil and become thick, and we'll have a nice stew. Alright guys, so while all that is going, I'm gonna make some muffins, some oats muffin, and throw in the oven. And if you guys wondering how I made this oats muffin, go over to Mel's Kitchen Jamaica, and the method is there for you guys to see how I make this oats muffin. But yeah, let's go. Our chicken has gone with itself. Oh no, I don't add any water to it, and look at that. Jeez, when all this flavor kick up in a man, and I haven't added any water to that. Look at that. It looks so good. Alright, at one Dochi never fails. Alright, stew agwan, stew look good. Alright friend, go on do your thing. Cornmeal porridge over here, so well ready. Now my quinoa over here so well ready. And my steamed veg over here so well ready. Yeah, girl. Alright. I'm handling the muffin right now. Okay, you guys, my job here is done. So let me show you guys what's going on. The final look of everything. Ooh. Alright. Curry chicken. Done. Looks good. Cornmeal porridge done and looking lovely. Veggies done and looking vibrant. And the last spot that is still bubbling is the stew, because I still want it to dry down just a little bit more. But in 5 minutes that will be out. So that looks good. And the quinoa is all done. And the muffins looks good and have 8 minutes to go. Kitchen all clean. My girl bottle is ready for her. And peace out. Peace out. I'm done. And voila. Our muffins are out. And we're really piecing out this kitchen. That was a good after dark session. Yeah.
Look, it's yes, but with different person. But I still don't want.
You decide. You guys, I wake up early this morning like me that goat fit tie out me, I tell you. You know when they live in Jamaica and I have to tie out the goat them early and come back because you have to go to church and so yeah. As some wake up early this morning, cook like me have to go to church. And I miss going to church and I miss going to church so much. But this pandemic, I have to watch church online. I have to watch church online. I miss go church. And I think that I miss go church and I miss Jamaica church. I miss Jamaica church where you clap and all them something, the tambourine and dance and yeah. Them kind of church to my miss. I mostly tell them them kind of church experience one day when I go back to Jamaica. Say morning to the face. What are you gonna do? Learn how to ride your bike? And Sarah cruising in her convertible Benz.
Mama, go faster.
You can't go faster. You want to charge. You move up. You don't look down when you're putting this foot on, because the pedal automatically come around. Okay, so you don't need to look down. You just do that and it will reach on it. Okay, ready? Ready? Remember, do not look down and put your butt on the seat. Remember, you push off the bike with this foot on your hand. Push forward. Ready? Go. Don't look down. That's it. Get out. Get out. Get out. Don't lean. Don't lean. Don't lean. Don't lean. Keep going. Keep going. That's it. Good job. Turn. Don't come off. Look in front of you. In front of you all time. Don't try to go too fast, Tyler.
Don't try it.
Sorry, that diaper I want to change.
No, right. Mama, this patch can come off.
Stella, you and your badge, leave me alone.
This.
She gonna take that time and play it with. Time for bed now anyway. You're not gonna give me a break? You see her bottom fat?
Je veux du rocher là. Ok, ça je laisse par terre.
I am tired. Been up from 5 o'clock this morning. It's time for me to go to bed. Why are you pushing me like that?
So are you tired like this?
Because I'm up from 5 o'clock this morning.
You don't want to play PS2 with Tyler? I wanted you to play with him tonight.
PS3.
Yeah.
What is PS3?
Exactly.
Mama, help!
He fights for his life. I don't have to do anything. He's making himself fall on the floor by himself. No. By pushing, not hitting. If you bump up the floor, that's finished. You're gonna fall. Alright, I have a new exercise. Okay?
What?
Papa is here.
Yes.
Papa is not moving.
Okay.
And you have to make Papa move to here, okay?
Okay.
You have to push me.
On peut pas jouer au foot.
No, allez, push me. Papa not moving. Papa have not to move. Papa have to stay like
Oh. Ou si je te
Allez, tu dois
tomber
faire.
par terre.
Allez.
Si je te fais tomber par
Si
terre,
t'arrives à
on
me faire.
joue au Lego Star
Allez,
Wars.
sinon tu me pousses. Pousse-moi.
Papa, s'il te plaît.
Pousse-moi, montre-moi ta force. Sinon maman va te donner à manger tous les jours du brocoli.
Two different shows going on. One here and one over there. She's just drinking water.
Allez, t'es presque
She's
arrivée.
not drinking water. You see what she's doing?
Allez, t'es
Honey, look what Sarah doing.
She's sipping.
No. Look.
T'as presque réussi. Allez.
She put it in her mouth and spit it out of her class.
That's a good,
Look how Sarah went.
that's a good, interesting technique, Tyler.
Sarah, no. Sarah, what are you doing? Honey, come here. Look how she deliberately did it. Look. Leave her. Look how she went. Come, go take off the wet clothes. Come here.
Sarah,
Look at Sarah's clothes.
Sarah, dance. Sarah.
Dance with Papa. Go, Sarah. Hey. Go, Sarah. Go, Sarah. Hey. Go, Sarah. Go, Sarah. Go, Sarah. Go, Sarah. Go, Sarah. Go, Sarah. Hey. Go, Sarah. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Come, go take off the wet clothes. Come here. Go, Sarah. 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 Hey. Go, Sarah. Go, Sarah. Go, Sarah. Yes.
Tu vois cette fille?
My turn. Let's see how much I can go with me time.
But the Sarah slapped me.
No. Let's see how much I can go. Come, Tyler.
Mama, but I
Go.
know. Okay.
You need to fat on Mama the same time, okay?
Yes. Okay, I just.
No, you're not gonna do that. Ratty, but it's heavy. Put your foot straight.
No.
It hurt.
Hold my bottom. Hold my bottom.
Like this? So you're gonna do what Papa tell you to do?
Yes.
You're too funny.
Hold my leg. And hold under my neck. With the other.
Like
Yeah, I
this?
used to carry him by the side.
Alright. Active, baby, you know 12? 2. What's that? We got it.
5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, I come this time.
You're too wicked. You're too wicked.
Mama was so confident when she said
I know something else. You two in same time try and lift me up.
How?
Just like
Okay.
I told you.
Okay,
Look
Mama.
at Sarah.
Mama have your foot and me have your head, okay?
Come.
Come.
Yeah, but. Ready?
Down. Down. Down.
We are the gym. We are the gym.
Down.
Come, let's end the vlog. Let's end the vlog. Let's end the vlog. Come, everybody.
Fast.
Except Sarah.
Oh, we're all in blue?
Jamaican expression of today. Hey, okay, I'm gonna open the page and you're gonna read it.
Sorry, it's too
See
naked
it properly.
to be-
Don't.
Sarah, you're naked.
Yeah, remember
She coming anyway. All right.
No, remember she can't. when she-
Choose. Okay, Jamaican expression of the day. Hey.
No, not.
Nose knot?
Yes.
Is the yellow thing or the white thing running out of your nose? That's nose knot. Open the book and read it properly. Tell me what it says.
It Papa, yes.
No, it's not.
Mm-hmm.
When you lie, your nose going. I mean, you're liar.
Read what it says.
It means
Is the snort running out of your nose?
not from the
Nose. Nostril.
nostril.
Snort from the nostrils. Okay, Papa, your turn to find one.
I'm going too deep when I have to guess what is the. I'm going too deep.
I can see everything.
Then don't look. Honey, you don't find it yet? Why you have to read the meaning? Just choose one.
Alright. Free paper burn.
Free paper bun is what. Alright, Tyler first, guess. Tyler looking at me. What it means?
It means when I do this, I bring somebody again.
What do you think it means?
But it means when you eat a sandwich.
No, free paper bun means when you're on vacation and you have to go back to work or to school.
Yeah, I like translation. They
Okay, I
say
Wait.
in the translation they say to lose one's freedom. Usually say when holidays are over and the children have to go to school, or if your vacation has come to an end and you have to go back to work.
Ta-da!
So how you know all of the Jamaican expressions?
Because I'm a Jamaican, 100% no grown can and no grown men, no
you never show me your
nothing.
passport. How
I am 100% Jamaican and that will never ever change.
so it means if I touch you, your blood is Rasta color
Black, green, and gold.
and no red?
No red.
So why black, green, and gold? Where the black coming from? I
The
don't see,
power! The strength of the people!
I don't see no black. I see red. Like,
What's the French expression or word for today?
Papa, tell me. Yes.
Tu es un mouton. Être un mouton.
Être un mouton. To be a mutton. To be a sheep.
Yes!
To To be a sheep.
Yes.
Ça veut dire quoi?
To be white.
No.
To be humble.
No. That means to follow people like this without thinking.
Papa.
Don't be a mouton. Don't be a mouton, guys. That's the motivation for today. Don't be a mouton. A mouton. All right, let's end. Mouton. Don't be a mouton.
Is something.
What?
The one that beat me in
No. After we end the vlog, then you can say that. Anyway, you guys, there you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Give this video a thumbs up.
Jamaican talking.
Oh, Jamaican comment.
Sorry, it's behind the camera. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep about. We'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow. Let me show you Sarah's face. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Look at her hand.
Oh,
Yay! Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. You guys getting this moment for the first time. Bye bye.
say bye-bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
This ain't this. He's doing
Yeah.